Indonesian Little Heart Team. I am not a criminal, and I am not a police officer. I'm just a layman who likes to eat meatballs. But what I want to discuss now is justice. Hilo Pak Jokowi. I want justice in our country to apply. You indeed overcome poverty, but all you care for is poor people in big cities, while we who live in the village get nothing. Work now is very difficult. Material needs are soaring, but all you do is a matter of development and infrastructure. Now there are many toll roads, but those of us who don't have a car can do it. We only express our feelings now. There is only sadness in our hearts. I hope this message reaches Sir Jokowi. No need to look for me. I represent everyone. You don't pay attention to warm greetings from our little heart. Remember, justice for all Indonesian people. We are Indonesian Little Heart Team. We are Legion.